If you're sailing and the wind picks up, you will move faster, which sounds good unless you're going the wrong way. And without a map, you probably are. And the wind's not going to fix that. It just pushes you further in the wrong direction. AI is the same. It speeds you up, but it doesn't fix your course. Now, there are two games being played with AI right now, and most serious operators are watching the wrong one. Right now, being ahead in AI looks like speed. Faster emails, faster proposals, more content, more output. Now, it feels like momentum, it looks like progress, and that's the part everyone's focused on, but it's not the whole picture. Let's call that first game speed of execution. AI absolutely makes you faster, but faster at what? It produces more activity, more visibility, more noise. And here's the part most people miss, is that speed scales direction, but it doesn't improve your judgment. If your thinking is solid, the speed helps. But if your thinking isn't, then it's going to cause problems. If your positioning is slightly off, if your strategy hasn't been stress tested, if your assumptions haven't been challenged, AI is just going to help you make that mistake faster and with more confidence. And it's not always obvious at first. You only realize once you've invested serious time, energy, and resources in the wrong direction. Now, out at sea, small errors compound. You don't notice straight away, you just feel like you're moving. But even if you are slightly off course, the wind just takes you further away from where you're meant to go. Now, AI is the wind, that is the speed game. This is where serious operators quietly play a different game. Not speed of execution, but judgment. Not producing more, but thinking better. Making sure you've got the right map and the right compass before you even think about raising your sail to catch the wind. Now, game 2 is about using AI to pressure test your thinking, to challenge your positioning, to explore trade-offs, to surface blind spots, and to reduce that cognitive load before you commit to act. This is where AI stops being the wind and starts being the navigation. AI is not telling you what to think, but it's helping you check your compass before you move. Because once the direction is right, that speed becomes real leverage. But the direction needs to come first. Now, most beginners benefit from the speed. They can write faster emails, generate more content, and move more quickly. No doubt. And that is useful, but experienced operators benefit more from leverage. Because decisions carry consequence. If you've got clients or capital or reputation or a team, then your judgment matters more than the speed of your output. The speed feels like momentum, but momentum in the wrong direction, as you know, can be very, very expensive. So the speed game, game 1, it would say, write me 20 LinkedIn posts, and it does a great job. The judgment game, game 2, would say, challenge my positioning. Where is it weak? Now, both are using AI, but only one compounds. Only one builds an enduring advantage. And of course, that is the judgment game. Speed is seductive, it looks impressive, but speed on its own plateaus, whereas leverage compounds. And the compounding is quiet at first, but of course, over time, it builds up. Now, in the next video, I'll explain why the operators playing the leverage game build advantage that lasts, while the speed game eventually runs out of steam.